Hey, I came across a hand lotion that you wouldn't typically reach for as a hand lotion because it's a body cream, but it was on accident, and I thought I have to tell you about it because oftentimes I get asked, well, I am using X, Y, and Z on my face, but what the heck can I use on my hands to make them look more youthful, hydrated? They're cracked and I need help with them to heal, all these things. So, this is what I use. I keep it with me and I do recommend it, and you're gonna find it in the least expected place, which is the baby aisle. Eucerin Eczema Relief Body Cream. This stuff for your hands is magic. So without breaking the bank, without going over the top, it is healing, it is hydrating, and it is not greasy. If you try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you have something you're obsessed with, tell me about it. I wanna know and I wanna try it. Otherwise, I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.